Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. We've got a little shopping haul here from the range. We've got some beautiful products to show you here today. So we're going to start off with these. Now, I saw these, and when it's a special season, like if it's October, December, you know, sort of seasons, so bonfire night, Christmas, you know, what have you, they'll come out with different seasonal pens. And I found these for £1.99, and it was just so beautifully packaged. And they're a pack of autumn pack of 3 pens, as you can see, comes in this lovely little gift box. And I thought, oh yeah, I've got to have them, because I'm forever losing pens, but I love writing with decent pens, none of the standard, just a plain boring biro. I mean, this probably is a biro inside this, but just look how gorgeous this is. I mean, even this packaging is lovely. Now you get 3 beautiful pens. So this one is I think that's a pumpkin. In some ways it looks like a aubergine, but and then we've got an orange pumpkin there. And then obviously this one I think is my favourite, because this one has all different sort of pumpkins on there. I think that looks like a pear there. But what I love as well, if you've got this lovely gold plastic at the top and at the bottom, and I think it is a black ink. Let's have a look. So let's put it on this here, and yeah, that's a black ink. Just check the others. I think they're normally, if one's black, they're all black, but I'll just check. Yeah, brilliant. I'll just check that one because I can't remember. Yeah, so you get 3 beautiful pens in there for autumn. So I thought that was really nice. I'm going to put them back in the package because I'm quite traditional. If it's not autumn, I won't use them yet. So I will keep them in there for when it's autumn. And I remember I got myself some Valentine's pens as well. You know, the Valentine's ones we got way back in February. So do check out the autumn section, because it doesn't necessarily have to be a diamond painting. They've got loads and loads of different products all based around autumn. Okay, so that's my first item that I purchased. The next thing that I found was this. It is the Mama Capybara. Now, be very careful when you get these, because I've noticed there's another one of these that is all pastel, and it doesn't look like they're sitting in amongst flowers. It's a big face. So there is a third one. So I'm guessing the boy that we got is the dad. This must be the mum. And then obviously there's another one which I'm guessing is the daughter, because this one, as you can see, has got flowers in their hair. So it's a really beautiful capybara, and this is the little girl one. So I can't wait to get that done. We've got the mama, the dada, and we just need to get the daughter one now. But as you can see, this is what this is going to look like. It's going to look really beautiful. These are really lovely autumn canvases that they're bringing out. So let's take a look inside here. Let's make that a small incision there, and we'll get this out like so. These are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm guessing that where's this? It's a bit of a handful to get that out. Yeah, I'm guessing it's out of obviously 2 different capybaras there, but they're chucking in a few bags. It's interesting how they give you the actual bags not in this little pack here. They all seem to be in individual things. You've got your brackets so that you can hang them up, and this is the capybara, people. Oh yes, look at that. Oh wow, yeah, very autumn colours. Look, we've got the sort of the power orange colours. You've got I really love how the leaves are sort of like as if there's just been like a leaf blower just blown them up in the air. But she just looks like the queen of capybaras, doesn't she? She's sitting there with her tiara on, or her capybara crown, and she just looks like the queen of capybaras. And then you've got some lovely flowers around the edge here. So I remember the Valentine's one that we did. You know that Valentine's one we did? Ah, they are listening, look. They've not wrapped it round the sides. Some of them used to get all stapled round the back, and it was a nightmare. So they are listening now, because they're now doing it like that, and that's how it should be. It shouldn't be wrapped all round the side. So So, and stapled to the back. The stick is fabulous. Oh my god, this is going to be such a wonderful piece. Wow. So I'm going to pop that back into the box so that I don't lose the drills. Oh, we'll just have a look at the drills. As you can see here, lots of autumny colours going on here. So we've got an orange, another orange, we've got a beigey colour, a brown, a white, a couple more browns there, sort of peachy orange colour, a peach, a sort of greeny bluey colour, a brown, an orange, a brown, a black, a red, a green, a yellow and a purple. So when you're doing autumn, it's going to be a lot of your browns, your oranges, your greens, your blacks, because obviously autumn is based on them colours. So there is some really lovely items coming out with the range at the moment, especially for autumn. Now, their Halloween section is gradually coming out. I've seen them putting bits and pieces on the shelf. However, it's still very, very early, so they will only bring little tiny bits out. But come October, it'll be swamped. But they do have on the website, if you look, I don't think it's on there because I did look last night, and it just, normally you have to put the keyword Haunted Hallows because it's under that brand. But there's only like 4 things that pop up. But there is a little black cat on a pendant that you diamond paint. So if you wanted to get that, they do that as well. I didn't pick it up because at the moment my focus is on autumn. So I'm not really buying Halloweeny stuff yet. And I wouldn't personally get a black cat anyway because I'm not really into cats. So it would need to have like either a scarecrow or a pumpkin on it. So I don't really do cat paintings as much. I have done a cat theme, but I don't really like cats. Don't get me wrong, I do love all animals, just not cats. I don't know, just never really like cats. I hate it when, when you're walking and then the cat will just crawl around the back of your leg or brush up against your leg. Oh, I can't stand that. It's so annoying. But anyway, that's the capybara. Now, last but not least, I made a bit of a balls up here because I came across these. Now, I love Highland cows. So does my sister. I think I get it from her because everything in that shop, you can't miss a Highland cow. Now, I thought these were just stickers because I love stickers, and I thought I could decorate my diary with that. I could put some on here because this is my... remember when I got this? This is my little notes book. So I thought I could put one there and one there. However, I've made a little bit of a balls up because I didn't realise. On the front, you'd think, yeah, they're stickers. I have a terrible thing when it comes to buying. I always go by picture. I do not read the item. I will go by picture. So if I like the look of the picture, I get it. I can't be bothered sitting there reading to see what it is. It wasn't until I looked on the back that apparently they're transfer stickers. What that means is that you put them on things like cups or anything. I mean, they're saying that you could put that on a cup. But I suppose you could use them as stickers still. I can't see why you can't use them as stickers. Because, it's still like a sticker material, isn't it? So I can't see why you can't use them like that. But it makes me kind of want to get a white cup now and just like a plain white cup and just give it a go. But as you can see, if we open this up, that's what you do. Yeah, that's what you do. So you see, you're supposed to put them on the cup, and that looks really effective actually. I quite like that. But as you see, if we peel them off, they're just, you don't even want to peel them off, do you? They're so lovely. And yeah, this lady on the back here is cutting them out, so I don't want to cut them out, but I just want to see what the stickiness is like. So yeah, these are really thin, but the stick, yeah, you could easily use that as a sticker. But I don't know about putting them on cups because I feel like they would just peel off very easily. They're the sort of things you could put on a candle jar as well, because they'll just come in really handy. And then I picked them up for my sister, and then I was like, oh, I really want them for myself. But when I showed them to her, she was like, "Oh my god, they're so cute!" And I was like, "Yeah, you're not having them. Nice try." So now I can't get it back in here. I don't want to get these marked, you see. So I want to put them back in the cellophanes. And I'm making a terrible job of trying to put this back in. It looks like there's a little bit of a split there, so that's what's caused it. But yeah, these stickers were only £1.49, so they were really nice priced stickers. And yeah, I mean, I like to see if they'll come out with like diamond painting, like Highland Cow stickers. Oh, could you imagine diamond painted Highland Cow stickers? We haven't done stickers for a while. Now, last thing I want to show you. So yeah, if you do want to get this, it's £1.49. The capybara was £2.99, and then the pens were £1.99. But yeah, do want to get these, £1.49 at the range. And last but not least, you know, I was telling you about this candle. Well, this is not part of the range. This came from Vinted. Now they sell them in Primark, but their click and collect is a total sham. If you, like most places like the range, if you want to click and collect, they will pick it up off the shop floor, bleep you the same day to say, like, you know, it's ready, come and collect it. With Primark, for some reason, their click and collect is every 2 days. So if you order today, you can't pick it up till, say, I don't know, Friday. It's just ridiculous. So when I've gone in there, I can't find any candles on the shelf. It's just ridiculous. So I went to Vinted. This isn't quite the one I want. If you look on Vinted, it's a glass shell. It's all blue. But I found this one, and I was absolutely amazed at the size of this. I couldn't believe the size of it. Now, this is just so cute. Look at that for a candle. Something different, totally fancy. It's not in a plain, boring old jar. This is two things going on here. You've got this lovely candle. Little bit concerned that if I light it, it's going to pour out the edge here, because you can see the wax is falled right up to the top here. So I'm wondering if the idea is that as it burns, it's supposed to leak out the side, but I don't think it will do that. But I just will need to, for the first couple of days, we'll need to check how that burns so it doesn't seep out. Normally when you burn a candle, the wax, as it's burning, it sort of lowers itself. But this is just so beautiful, because once that wax is burnt, that makes a good little ornament, doesn't it? And it just so reminds you of the beach, and I thought that is so beautiful. They've got some beautiful candles at the Primarks. They've got a little dog it's like a little dog candle, so you've got the head here, and then the back of it's like the candle section. They've got so many different candles, and as you know, I've got a slight obsession with buying candles. I just can't resist buying candles. Everywhere I go, I have to pick up a candle. It's an obsession. I'm slightly got an obsession with buying candles. But anyway, just wanted to show you that, because obviously there's no whip and chats until September. One thing I will mention as well is the August completions. They're going up as shorts videos, so you won't get an August completion video where there's all in one video. They're going up as shorts as and when I get them done. That's just for August. So yeah, let us know what your favourite is. They've got this, and obviously that notebook, the Highland Cow notebook, they've got that available as well. That's £2.99. So we've got, as I say, this came from Vinted, but it is a Primark product. And then we've got the pens. This is some of the stuff from the range. We've got the beautiful cow stickers, and even that little leaf's quite nice. And then we've got this. I definitely think this year has got to be the best year for, you know, autumn. I think last year they struggled a bit with trying to get autumn canvases in. They have got an autumn leaf bag that you diamond paint. It's not in the store at the moment, so yeah, as and when I see it, I will pick it up. But yeah, I haven't gone to the range in such a while. I thought I'll go there and see what they've got, really. And then last trip wasn't really much either, because we only got the boy one of the capybara. But I think what they're doing is they're gradually bringing it out slowly and slowly. But yeah, it's quite a very small range for things to diamond paint at the moment. Still no luck on the crisp. There is a squirrel pendant, still waiting for that to come out. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like that little fall collection, and get these products for yourself from the range before they're sold out, because they're just so beautiful, and I'm itching to get into them next month. I can't wait to get started on these. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. Remember to tap the bell so that you be notified when videos go on the channel. And obviously, if you haven't done so and you'd like to buy any of these products, the links are in the description of the video. Some links, some items I might not be able to put in the video yet because they're not available on the website yet, but I do check that daily, so as soon as I see that on there, I will put the link in there for it. But yeah, wonderful products. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye for now.